Welcome to Perfume Emotions. It's Money again, and it's Lacoste again. So it's Lacoste Match Point EDT. So today we are going to do unboxing as well as parallel authenticity check and full review of this perfume. I do have Match Point EDT as well as Match Point Cologne. So we'll do side by side review as well in the future. So stay tuned for that. I understand that including unboxing and authenticity check increases the duration of the video, so I will put chapter in it, and I believe that it is very important information when you purchase a perfume and you are not sure whether it is real or fake, and that is why I diligently include this information and I diligently follow this process as well. So I hope we can rock and roll now. Authenticity check start from the cellophane paper. So if you look towards the box, cellophane paper has been applied quite meticulously. There's no fault as such, major fault you can find out. Yeah. And now look towards the go to Amazon's website or go to Lacoste website and see how the box looks like. So I have done that, so it is fulfilling all the desired sort of match. So on the front there is Lacoste Match Point and logo. On the top there is crocodile logo. Yeah. On the back there is content. On the bottom there is barcode and there is batch code which is embossed, so you might not be able to see it, but let me tell it. It is 2034. Okay, so this is the presentation. Now before doing unboxing, we should be aware about what are we going to smell. So this is checkpoint 2. So we have to be aware about which other notes. So in Lacoste EDP, top notes are basil, grapefruit and pink pepper. So I will be getting citrusy, fresh spicy sort of or herbal aromatic smell. In mid note there is geranium and gentian. Please pardon me if I pronounced it in a wrong manner. So both are flowers, so slight floral touch. And in the bottom, in the base note, there are cashmeran and vetiver. So both are making woody and earthy sort of fragrance. So I'm not going to get some sort of sweet vibe in this perfume, which is based on what the notes mentioned. Now let's start unboxing. Yeah, it is very good feeling. Okay, now there is a box in a box which we usually find in authentic perfume. Yeah, and here is the gem, crystal clear light green color juice. Yeah, there is cap. On cap there is crocodile. Yeah, bottle looks very nice. Yeah. It looks like some sort of alcohol bottle. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now another checkpoint. When you spray for the first time, maybe for one occasion or two occasions, it will not spray any juice, and that is a sign of authenticity. This is 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3. I have got the juice. As expected, orangey sort of citrus. Nothing spicy as of now. Surprisingly, slight sweet and herbal. Yes. So let me apply it towards my arm, because I have applied fragrance all over here, both the hands, so I need to apply it over here just to get an idea. Yeah. While we wait for 3 hours, I would say that batch code I have tried to find out, and I found that it has been manufactured in 2022 February batch code. So it says I do have 9 months to finish the bottle, so I'll finish that. Okay. Let's have the full review. So first we'll talk about scent profile. So when I applied it into arms, I also applied it to the 5 hot spots around here to get better idea about sillage and longevity as well as projection. So if we talk about scent profile, initially it was started as citrusy sweet. Later on, after 15-20 minutes, I got some sort of spiciness. That spiciness is not like irritating at all, like fresh spiciness, and later on it was replaced by a sweet, powdery, musky sort of smell which remained till the end. So it lasted on my skin for around 4 hours, and I consider it is a very good sort of performance for a Lacoste fragrance. Now we talk about like scent profile. If we have to give a conclusion, I will say that in conclusion it is fresh, clean, pleasant, slightly spicy, and a soapy, powdery scent. Now let's talk about the performance. As I told you, it lasted for 4 hours on my skin. So yes, I can sense its presence for 4 hours when I apply around my nose. So yes, but if we talk about sillage, it is minimal. Yeah, projection was arm length initially for an hour and then becomes skin scent. So it's not highly projecting sort of smell, but you would have that smell in the background during those 4 hours. Now if we talk about age group, I would say that it will attract both sort of age group. It's fresh and sweet citrusy smell would attract mainly teenager. However, herbal note, which I have not got very pronounced, but it might be there because basil is in the like base note, woody note are there, so it will appeal to the people who like mature scent as well. So I think the scent is for like all age groups. Now about season, it is quite evident that this is a summer fragrance. Yeah, it is a very good and great summer fragrance, being clean, being inoffensive, being pleasant, being relaxing. I'll come to emotion afterwards. So yes, summer is the best season. Hot weather is the best weather to apply it. However, if you are applying it for just purpose of relaxation, season would not matter at all. Apart from summer, you can try it in spring as well as now coming to the core aspect of my channel, emotions, whether it can create some emotion. I would say yes, it is pleasant, fresh, so it gives a bit of happiness. However, because of minimum sillage and not so good longevity in terms of when we talk about relaxation, longevity is different. And if you have not seen that video of my top 5 best relaxing perfume and tips, please go through that. I will keep the link in the description. So for relaxation purpose, I would say no, it's not that relaxing. However, I would recommend if you overspray it, you may find it to be more relaxing, and in addition it will help to increase its longevity, increase its sillage, and increase its projection. So is it a formal wear or a casual wear? I would say both. People who like sweet citrusy smell with powdery sort of feeling, they can use it in the office and daily because it is non-offensive, clean and refreshing. So yes, and I would advise to reapply it at the workplace as well because it doesn't last long. So yes, it can be used as usual office wear or daily office wear. It is certainly not a date night fragrance. However, my gem recommendation is that it is a best scent for certain activities, like most of the healthy activities. So when you are doing jogging, when you are doing walking, when you are doing running, when you are visiting garden, when you are visiting a jungle or wood, if you apply this, it will intensify the effect of this smell. Thanks for watching my channel, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for subscribing my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and please select which Lacoste fragrance you would like to see review next. Lacoste Match Point EDT or Lacoste Cologne. Yeah, okay, stay tuned. We'll do those two review, and then we will try to find out which Lacoste Match Point is based and which Lacoste Match Point is better for whom, where, how, and all the W answers. Thank you.